you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And thankfully for Huntsville and all of North Alabama, it's been pretty dry and quiet here this evening. We had those earlier thunderstorms this afternoon. This kind of exited off to the east and collapsed. But we are tracking that next round developing off to our northwest. And if we zoom off to the northwest, you'll notice all the cloud of ground lightning. Thankfully, we're not seeing any severe thunderstorm warnings or any tornado warnings with this line of storms, but they are moving in our direction. They're moving at about 30 to 35 miles per hour. Put a track on this. These will be moving in closer to Florence by just after midnight, close to about 12:30. And what's left of them dropping to the south and southeast. And again, that could bring some pretty heavy rain and quite a bit of thunder and lightning here in the overnight hours. So just be ready for that at 4 a.m. if you hear some of that. What we're expecting for tomorrow, we're going to see that first round kind of fall apart right around sunrise tomorrow. Then we start to heat things up. We're closing in on 90 once again for your Tuesday afternoon, and that's going to allow for a round of some pop-up showers and storms. Nothing organized, nothing strong or severe, but we could be tracking more of those clusters of storms moving in from out of the northwest through the next few days, just like what we're expecting here tonight. How about the humidity? You've probably noticed a little bit of that humidity returning today, but we're just starting to see a little bit more of the darker greens on the map for your Tuesday afternoon. And again, the darker the green, a little bit more muggy the air mass, a little bit more moisture in the air. And of course, that's all feeding those showers and storms developing over the next few days. However, by Thursday, you'll notice the brown off to the north. That's that drier than normal air behind the front. That cold front dropping south by Thursday afternoon, and that'll kind of put an end to the storms for the rest of Thursday and into parts of Friday, but still a chance for storms later in the day on Friday and into Saturday. Here's a look at future radar. This is 2:30 here tonight, and look at that cluster of storms racing in from out of the northwest. You get into some of those pinks, that's some heavy rain, maybe even a little bit of hail involved, and that'll all be dropping again to the south and southeast. And what's left of that still close by right around the morning commute tomorrow, so that still could have some impacts for that Tuesday morning commute. And then we're still tracking some lingering showers and storms through the late morning hours, but then with a little bit of heat, we're starting to see the storms redeveloping into your Tuesday afternoon. Still some more heavy rain, gusty winds, but likely nothing too strong or severe, but something we'll keep a close eye on through tomorrow afternoon. Then as we head into the late night hours tomorrow night into Wednesday, we're tracking more clusters of storms moving in from out of the west and northwest. More heavy rain through the sunrise on Wednesday morning, and then another cluster of storms from out of the west northwest through Wednesday afternoon. So again, we've got plenty of opportunities for rain over the next 5 days if you definitely need some of that rain on your lawn. Look at that, 2 to 3 inches of rain showing up where you see the purples and the reds on the map. That's a lot of rainfall through Friday and into Saturday morning. Some good news for the weekend. We are expecting the storms to really start to clear out by sunrise on Saturday, and then we're back to mostly dry conditions for your Saturday afternoon and staying dry for your Sunday. But by tomorrow, the Trash Pandas are back in town at Toyota Field, and we'll be watching things closely with that first pitch going off at 6:35 tomorrow evening.